YouTube, what's going on, guys? I jumped the gun here. Started cutting this thing apart. You can see that little baby 212 is going bye-bye. We don't need that no more. We got us a 301 on here with a torque converter. You see it. I had to cut that office chair out, man. You guys missed it. I was cutting this. I wish I would have recorded that here. Office chair right there. I was trying to just cut it in half right there, and somehow it like spring loaded and came out of there. Good thing my arm wasn't above, boy. That thing would have took me out. There's the bottom half. You see it. It's gone. Jake got the new Juggernaut on his bike, and he freaking smoked Sweet Pea. We just went ripping to the neighborhood. I'll upload that video later today of us ripping. Maybe I'll upload it with this one. I don't know. But look at the big TRIKE, guys. Look at that big old beefy motor. Just look at the comparison in size here. Just look at that. That is way bigger. And it's only up like 100 cc more. It's not even 100 cc. It's like 80 cc more. But man, the motor is just way bigger. So I gotta do some stuff here. I gotta cut the old motor plate out and add some new metal bracing, and then we can mount that bad boy. Definitely gonna have to get some front brakes on this thing now too. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna do a different seat. I'm gonna do like a motorcycle style seat right there, and the feet will still go straight down. This thing is gonna be racing soon. I wonder if it'll do wheelies now. Do wheelies now. No, I'll probably just spin the tires off of it for it. Yeah. Oh, they're getting ready to leave. We're about to go rip the track. Yeah, they're leaving. Meemaw's leaving. Just Meemaw, I think. She's custom screaming too. So guys, we might get a little footage of us ripping, guys. You know?
I heard us, buddy.
She did. She was custom screaming. So I still got to cut out. You can see this plate right here. I'm going to cut that out, and there's another motor plate that had the 212 in there. I'm going to cut all that out, and I'm going to lay metal across here, so I can maybe be able to get that motor down a little bit more. We'll see. You see, we're just hitting right there, so I'll cut all that out. It's good.
Can't wait to rip
You see this, guys? We're back out here. We're working on. We just took a little rip. You see Sweet Pea over there just chilling.
Oh yeah, Sonny.
We're killing the game. We're about to have another little race soon. Real soon. Probably as soon as I get this thing done.
And I get my rod and can in.
Yeah, and the Coleman gets done. We're gonna bring these guys back out and do it all over again. You can see it's a lot narrower now too. I shortened that axle up a lot, so this thing should rip now, dude. This thing ain't gonna weigh nothing with that big old 301.
Oh, she's coming out this way.
Oh boy. All right, guys, a little quick video. Just show you what I've been doing, what we're up to today. You see it. 212, bye-bye. I'll go through one. Now this 212, since somebody blew up my other motor, this 212 is gonna go on the giveaway cart. The little Razor drift cart that I've been slacking on, haven't been working on. It's right here. I'll show it to you real quick. You see the Murray, it's got no motor. Who cares about that thing? This thing, the old Razor drift cart. We're finally gonna finish it, guys. I know it's been a while, but I haven't had a motor to put on it, so now I do. Anybody want to buy a go-kart? Say this Murray cheap. All right, guys, just a quick little video here. Just a little update. Catch you guys later. See you on the next one.